The thingy, fishy.
Oh no.
Oh, that's not bad.
I hate it. I'm just putting this in.
So I don't know if
warn you guys, but I couldn't stop.
you couldn't cough.
Oh my
Uh-oh,
god.
he's this way.
Oh.
Yummy cucumber. Don't worry, squeezy. I'll squeeze your penis with the top one. Uh-oh.
Ah, that's fine.
It's a distant shot.
The fish is here, otherwise I'd just say go past.
No.
Okay, run. We gotta go fast, because the ship here is bad.
She's here. Right behind us! He's tracked on me. Make her run for it.
I'm gonna start it, you
shit,
just run it. Abram, run.
Get the nose.
Abram, get in before it destroys. Abram, get in. Abram.
Where's Abram? Where is he? No! No! Yes! No! Yes! No! Cancel! Yes!
Holy shit. Fuck you, buddy. Make sure this doesn't get broken. I need to kill these things. Die bomb. Shit. No.
No. Are you? Mine. Oh my! I just flung that guy a million miles. Poor baby.
Bye bye.
Ah, you bastard.
No. Yes. No.
Yes.
Wait, I think Justice just automatically wins.
Now he's gonna run out of run out of it.
Oh wait.
What do you do when the platforms run out, huh?